Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Big Dre. Yo, what up, 357 family? It's your boy Big Dre 357, back again with another video. And today, we're gonna do the video. We're making it happen today. We're doing Canik Mete versus 19 eggs. They're gonna get 2 mags apiece. And I'm gonna give you my thoughts on which one I like the best. I know right now I can tell you trigger wise, it's definitely gonna be the Canik. And speaking of the Canik, you know when I made the video on the Canik with the trigger, I was talking about that front pin, that oval shaped pin, was walking itself out. After I got done, I had to figure out what was causing that. And I called Canik, talked to him, come to find out, there's a little bitty tiny piece that sits inside of the locking block that slides back and forth. That locks that pin in place, and when I took the locking block out, that little pin popped out. But we found it, got it back in, got the pin locked in, we're good to go. But I'm gonna turn the camera over to Scotty 2T's, and we're gonna go ahead and shoot these guns real quick and see what's popping with them. So I was gonna shoot the Canik first, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and shoot the Glock first. Don't get me wrong, I love this gun. There's nothing wrong with this gun. I'm not a huge Glock fanboy, and I don't like the trigger. So we'll see which one comes out on top.
Pretty damn smooth.
Yeah, I mean, it's a good gun. Plus, I'm shooting them with gloves on. I'm not used to shooting with gloves on, so that's something I'm starting to practice, because you should be able to shoot with gloves on.
Blowed out, boy, golly.
I'm gonna go ahead and do a group, do the run the mag with the Mete. We don't have a whole lot of room at this range. And by the way, YouTube, we are at an actual range and a controlled environment. I am a certified range safety officer, so stop tripping. Don't demonetize my video. So I did all body shots or chest shots with the Glock, with the Canik. We're gonna just focus on the face. So that was a full 20 round mag and 17 round mag. I mean 18 round mag with the Canik, and a 17 round mag and a 19 round mag with the Glock 19X. Let's go see what they look like. Remember, I'm shooting with gloves on. It's cold out here. Now I used to shoot with gloves on, and I wasn't really trying to shoot for super groups, but fist size group, well, this one's actually a little bit bigger. The group is tighter here with the Canik than it is with the Glock. Just, I shoot better with the Canik. I don't shoot Glocks that great, but they're reliable guns, good quality guns. But I will kill your ass if I have to. I'm just kidding, YouTube, just kidding.
Yeah.
I would never do that. Never do that. I would stop the threat, though. I would stop the threat. But yeah, overall, I mean, between the two, I love the Glock 19X. I love the way it looks. I love how it feels. I love how it shoots. I don't like that trigger. Out of the box, the Canik trigger is amazing, and then I put the Freedom Smith trigger in there, which took up all that creep and travel. So that the trigger is extra amazing, and just the way it feels in the hand, I just love the way it feels in the hand a lot better. And just overall, I mean, longevity, quality-wise, I know the Glock is gonna hold up better. I know it's gonna be able to go through more shit, but just more fun to shoot. Accuracy-wise, trigger-wise, I enjoy shooting the Canik more. So they both got their pros and cons. I can't really say I like one better than the other. As far as reliability, well, I will say reliability, I'm gonna get it to the Glock. Fun to shoot, trigger, overall appearance, I'm gonna give that to the Canik. But at the end of the day, if shit hit the fan and I can only have one gun, I'm honestly probably gonna run with the Glock, because I'll be able to find more shit out in the free world for the Glock than I will be able to for the Canik. And I know for a fact this has been proven to be a reliable gun on the battlefield and can take a lot of abuse. These haven't proven themselves like that yet, but I still would carry it. But if it was a shit hit the fan scenario and this is all I had, my concern would be finding more parts for it, because even now in a shit hit the fan scenario, it's hard to get stuff with this gun. So if you want something that you can definitely get replacement parts for if something breaks, you definitely want to go with that Glock. And why not the Glock 19X? Look at that, that's a sexy ass gun. Tell me it ain't sexy. I'll smack you in your teeth. Anyway, appreciate y'all for checking out the channel, watching the video, and we'll catch y'all on the next one, man. Stay blessed, stay dangerous. Deuces.